this is Doris of Organic Veggie Mommies. Welcome to the Webisode 2 of Don't Panic, It's Organic. Here we have again, Mrs. Evelyn. So, anong gagawin natin ulit ngayon?
Okay, today I'm going to show you the egg muffins on the go.
Wow!
This is a combination of 3 recipes in one go. So, gagawin natin lahat siya in one go lang, one baking. This is good for us moms and kids who are busy. Yes. Like we don't have time to cook and prepare and we need to run off. Yes, run off to work or run off to school, ganyan. So this one you can make the night before or ahead of time.
Wow.
And you can just freeze them and they will last for like 3 weeks on the freezer. Yes, and then
papainit mo na lang.
Papainit mo na lang siya and then takbo ka na. Diba yung mga kids natin when they go to school, sleepy, they don't want to eat. So sometimes you just give them in the car, tapos takbo na sila and they can just eat in the car.
Healthier pa para at least alternative sa mga junk food.
Right.
O sige, excited ako na.
So as I said, this is a combination of 3 recipes. Okay, for this recipe, we need muffin tins. For the first combination is cream cheese and spinach. The second combination is broccoli and cheddar cheese. And for the third, we have mozzarella cheese, hash brown. This is pre-boiled hash brown, bacon bits, and chives. It's not an egg muffin without the eggs, some salt, and pepper to taste. So we're back here and we'll ask the kids to taste them. Let's see what they think. Sige. Try it, guys.
Yummy? I think that one is with broccoli, please. How about you, Daniel?
That is spinach and cream cheese.
Spinach and cream cheese, and that one is?
This is a
One
chives
with
and
broccoli
and cheddar.
cheese and cheddar. Yummy?
Is it good?
Good ba? Is it good, Daniel? Do you like to eat that for breakfast or for snacks? Yes?
I'll take it for dinner.
After dinner! Wow!
Is it really good? Is it tasty?
Yeah.
Is it
Yeah.
salty?
No.
No, it's cheesy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It tastes just like egg.
It's egg, darling. It's yummy and it's healthy, di ba?
Good for you. So, mga mommies, you try this at home and see what your kids think.